Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you the exact location of the medical room in research and administration in Arcaders and why this spot is so important for your runs. So, first, let's talk about why the medical room matters. This area usually contains high value medical loot like medkits, healing items, and sometimes rare research supplies. If you're low on health or looking to stock up on healing, this room can literally save your run. Now, here's how to find it. When you spawn in the research and administration zone, your main goal is to locate the central building with multiple office sections and corridors. Look for the area that has signs related to research labs or administration offices. From the main entrance, move inside and follow the hallway that leads deeper into the complex. You'll notice more sterile, hospital style lighting and cleaner walls as you get closer. The medical room itself is usually marked with medical symbols like a red cross or health signage. The door often looks different from regular office doors, more like a clinic or lab room. Once you find it, check all the shelves, cabinets, and tables because medical loot can spawn in multiple spots inside the room. Now let's talk about safety. This location is a hotspot, so don't rush in blindly. Always listen for footsteps, gunfire, or arc activity nearby. Before opening the door, reload your weapon and be ready for a quick fight. If you're playing solo, clear the surroundings rooms first. If you're in a squad, have one teammate watch the hallway while the other loots. If you already have enough healing, don't stay too long. Grab what you need and move out. Staying in the medical room too long increases your chance of getting third partied by other players. So, to summarize this, go to the research and administration area, head into the main building, follow the inner corridors towards the lab style section, look for medical signage, and you'll find the medical room. Loot carefully, stay alert, and get out fast. So yeah, this is it. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Arc Raiders guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there, Raiders.